Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the latest and greatest in home security technology. Today, we're diving into the Arlo Home Security Kit, a comprehensive DIY solution packed with innovative features. I've spent weeks testing this system, so let's jump right in. First off, the Arlo Home Security Kit is all about ease of use and versatility. It comes with a keypad sensor hub that acts as the brain of your security setup. This hub isn't just for arming and disarming. It includes a built-in motion sensor and even listens for smoke and CO alarms. Setting up the system is straightforward. You simply download the Arlo Secure app, link the hub to your Wi-Fi, and follow the step-by-step instructions. Within minutes, you're ready to start adding sensors. Now, what sets the Arlo system apart are its multifunctional sensors. These all-in-one sensors can detect everything from motion and open, close events to water leaks and even temperature changes. They're incredibly versatile and provide a wide range of monitoring capabilities. During my testing, I placed sensors on doors, windows, and even in sensitive areas prone to water leaks. The flexibility here is impressive, and the app provides real-time updates on sensor statuses and alerts. Speaking of the app, it's intuitive and user-friendly. The dashboard gives you a quick overview of your home's security status, and you can easily customize settings and view historical data in the Feed tab. For those considering professional monitoring, Arlo offers a subscription service that includes 24/7 monitoring. It's worth noting that this adds an extra layer of security but comes with a monthly fee. Now, let's talk about performance. The Arlo system delivered as promised. Whether it was detecting motion, monitoring temperature, or alerting me to potential leaks, it was reliable and responsive. In terms of design, the system is sleek and modern. The keypad's backlit buttons are easy to use and provide clear status indicators at a glance. Plus, there's a panic button for emergencies, adding to the system's usability. One thing to consider is the additional cost for cellular backup, which requires a subscription. It's a useful feature for maintaining connectivity during power outages. To wrap it up, the Arlo Home Security Kit impressed me with its simplicity and robust feature set. Whether you're a tech novice or a seasoned DIY enthusiast, this system offers peace of mind with its comprehensive security coverage. That concludes our review of the Arlo Home Security Kit. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth product reviews. Until next time, stay safe and secure.